Good morning everyone, welcome back to the On The Go vlogs. Lately, I just haven't been posting as much on here and on IG. I think over the past couple of months, kind of experienced a bit of a burnout. I've struggled with having spurts of like productivity and like working constantly, and then I'll just start experiencing so much stress and I'll just become like mentally and physically tired. So I've been using the platform Skillshare to help me learn how to be more productive. I have struggled with this for like maybe the past 2 years, and I am literally taking classes on how to just be more productive and use my time more effectively. I am so excited to actually collaborate with Skillshare because I have been a personal user of the platform and have really benefited from it. So Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. You can explore new skills, develop your interests, and just get lost in your own creative world. The course I most recently have taken up is called Principles and Tools to Boost Your Productivity, taught by Ali Abdal. He goes into the power of your habits and the myth about motivation, all things that I personally have been struggling with, and I now know the root of my issues and how to tackle them moving forward. I would really recommend this class if you are also struggling with productivity and just want to work on making more use of your time. Skillshare is also curated specifically for learning, meaning there's no ads at all. It's just the classes, and they're always launching new premium classes so you can just stay super focused and explore so many new different skills. And I am so excited to share with you that the first 1,000 of my subscribers will get 1 month free of Skillshare, so definitely take advantage of that, guys, and make sure you sign up and learn something new. For me, productivity was a game changer. It's definitely something that I will continue to be learning about and growing from. So I just wrapped up filming something. It took around like 2 hours, so I'm super tired. Haven't eaten yet. It's around 2 p.m. but Brandon is gonna pick me up. We're gonna have like a little date. Okay, so here is a little quick outfit of the day. I am wearing sweats, like always. This one is from Toffee Label. It's like forest green, and I'm literally obsessed with green right now. If you guys see my IG, it's all green and like this color, and it's just a vibe. I've just been obsessed with it. Before it was brown, and now I'm onto this green. So I've just got my little bag, and then I'm probably just gonna wear some Birks. I have like my black Birks with this fit. It's just super comfortable. I haven't been in IKEA in so long. Got Brandon's standing desk. They don't have the yogurt. No. Okay, so we made it to the golf course and it's raining a bit. So we're gonna call a rain check and then probably go to like a different indoor driving range where it's like roofed. It literally wasn't raining the whole day today, and now it literally just started raining as our tee time is about to start, which sucks so bad. Look, me and Elaine are even matching outfits. Like, look at us, we're so cute, and we can't even go golfing. Next time. Made it to the driving range. We're gonna hit a couple balls for like an hour. Wow! Apparently this is discontinued, so we have to get this. Oh my gosh, I love Rila Kuma.
It's not Rila, babe.
Yes, it is Rila.
That's literally not Rila Kuma.
It looks like him. I want to get it.